This is the Plaza. We're downtown.
No more bets.
The race is about to start. Now, who's going to take the lead? Number 5.
It's never the first horse. The one that makes it to the turn first never wins. Told you. Oh, you go upstairs for Oscars. Ooh, somebody just got married. They're gonna play some roulette. They got the typical big machine. $3 roulette, $3 blackjack, $3 craps. $25, $10 blackjack. This place used to have really low minimums, but that was the old downtown. We're in the new downtown. That's certainly still the old downtown. I like the looks of that. I hope they don't change it. Somewhere in here they've got a total non-smoking area. You got $2 craps. None of your business craps. $2. Ooh, they got one of those big fishing machines. It's just paradise. Yeah, so they give them a different name. I think the same people make it. But the few casinos that have these fishing games have different names.
This is the big fish.
Where's the sport? Oh, thanks. Well, this is weird. They had one of the biggest sportsbook in downtown for sure. I don't know why they did this. It used to go all the way to that other wall, so whatever's behind that wall took its place. Yeah, that's disappointing. Because that's a pretty blasé sportsbook now. Is this the section that they claim is new? It might be. Yeah, it might be. I don't see this, I don't see the non-smoking section that they said they had. Saw that on a local commercial.
Shaky, shaky.
Services. Oh. There's a sign for bingo. They have bingo again. They got rid of it at one time. Well, let's check it out. This is where the famous steakhouse is also. Named after our former mayor, well, the city of Las Vegas mayor, Oscar Goodman. And there's a wedding chapel. How quaint is that? I'm actually very impressed with this. Very intimate little room here. The way they've got it decorated really makes it feel very welcoming. Yeah, I mean, if you're going to get married in Vegas, first of all, you got to stop in the airport and get a license. You don't just walk up to these places and get married. My niece did that. And then when she went to get a divorce 15 years later, they said, "Ma'am, you're not married." She said, "What do you mean? What the hell are you talking about?" They found out they never went and got the license. All they did is went to one of those little chapels and said, "I do," and it was never legal. You've got to take that license to the courthouse after you. That's just a ceremony. Those little places, that's just a ceremony. That's not the official. You have to file it, and she never filed it, so she didn't have to pay for a divorce attorney. So sometimes you get lucky. We're gonna go in that bingo in just a minute. I want to see what's up here. Now this is all new. Okay, that's why they've got bingo again, is because they didn't have room for it downstairs, and now they built this. This is all new. This is their meeting space. This is where they make a lot of money. You know they make a lot of money because all that space could be 100 hotel rooms, and they can do better by doing these meeting spaces. Oh, that's like a FedEx office down there. And then this is the way to get to your room. Yep. That's all that is. So let's look at the bingo. There's my non-smoking sign there. This whole floor is non-smoking, which all convention space is actually non-smoking by law. Las Vegas got an exemption for the casino floor, and that's all, nothing else. Not restaurants, not convention, not wedding chapels, not bingo for some reason. Okay, if it's gambling. Okay, so bingo's gambling. But there is no smoking at this bingo. But as you've seen, there's a lot of bingos that do allow smoking. And I think the way they can do it is because it is gambling.
Oh, yes, we do have to get you a card. Yeah.
Very adequate bingo hall. You can smell the flowers from that wedding chapel, so that's nice. There's real flowers in here somewhere. I don't know if those flowers at the gates are real. Those are awfully big. If they are, that's pretty impressive. But they smell. If that's artificial smell, that's a pretty good job on the smell. Yeah, Oscars is a good place to eat because you can overlook, well, you used to could overlook the Fremont Street Experience. Now they put a zip line stage right in front of it. Really screwed over the plaza, in my opinion. And I'm sure in their opinion too. I'm sure they were pissed. Oh, they still got the Hash House Go-Go. Yeah, that's, gosh, this hash house, no matter what time of day, used to be a waiting line. It's definitely a gimmick. Trying to see what the prices are for like a hamburger. An egg scramble $16.99, and it's a side of your table. Burgers $17.99. You know, for a sit-down restaurant, you know, that's not that bad. Not that bad at all. I mean, I wouldn't pay it, but compare it to Johnny Rockets. It's right in line, and it's a sit-down restaurant. It's probably a damn good hamburger. They got a Subway. They got a gym up there. McDonald's. Fresh Mex. And then they're going to have a Carousel Bar out in the front. That's under construction, unfortunately. That's really going to be nice. I don't know if they're trying to imitate the one that's in New Orleans on Bourbon Street, but that's a very famous. People talk about that all over the world. We can see in it down here. Yeah, that's going to. It's going to go the speed of the carousel in Circus. Real slow, but really, that's really cool. It's going to be beautiful. But see, like I said, the view is blocked. You used to be able to see all the way down Fremont Street. Now you got to look at the ass end of the whatever you call it, the zip line. Okay, we're going to start a new one on this Golden Gate.